Where are we headed to, driver?
No man's land.
Oh, okay, they're going then. We got a damn good show for you tonight. What do you say, Jane?
Yeah, we got a damn good show. Let's get her done.
All right. Jane and I are checking out the flea market here.
Five minutes later.
There's that little guy there. I like that. There's no price on him. Kind of interesting too.
Oh, yeah.
1984. Neat stuff. Okay, look what I just located. Jane and I just dug one of these up in a recent video. It says free sample on it. And look what it is. It's got the lid on it. Melon's food for infants and adults. How cool is that? I should see if I can get a price on that. A few interesting things here. Alright, I'm going to paw through this and see what's there. Okay, well, let's start off. We got this bear here, $3, which turns out to be a rose wine decanter. Quite small. The head comes off them. I haven't had it off. Don't want to risk breaking it. And it is Herbert Schwartz, made in Portugal. Little rose wine decanter. Bear with an accordion. Pretty cool. I like it. Got a little bottle of clock oil, probably from the 40s or 50s, and it even has some oil still in it, see? And that was $2. The bear was $3. We got 2 tokens, each for $1. This is a Toys for Tots, little Marine Foundation, for $1, United States Marine Corps, and this here token, Buena Park, California, Knott's Berry Farm. It's got like a prospector or something there. And then on this side, we got a couple of 6-shooters. Good luck. Neat little token. All right, here we go. Let's get back to the flea market. Nope, still here at this vendor. Check this out. WF Nye Ink Clock Oil. Let's see how much he wants for that. A little bit of everything here. Just loads of little trinkets. Incredible.
Like, I don't need them, so you know what I mean? He doesn't want to sell them. I just keep them for survival. Yeah, I'm just under that.
Actual glass there. It's cracked though.
Well, go up there to McCoy's and they'll learn
A stopper.
how to
Nice.
play it. Yeah,
Check
go in
these
there
out.
and take 2 lessons. I know, but it takes a couple person lessons. You'll gain 100% of it. I know, I done it.
Anybody know what those are? How many stoppers you got? Those are nice. Very cool.
You want them?
Yep, we'll take those.
I think I'm gonna have to get my eyes tested.
I wouldn't dare because I haven't swollen and I'm done.
188.
It's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
For a candle. But this lighter says Vic on it. I bet this was his name tag too. Ronson. All sorts of stuff to paw through.
Yeah. And so far, I don't know like these two.
We're at this table with all these action figures, but here's a box of skeleton keys, kind of out of the ordinary. Check those out.
I got 630. Right? But I got
That's neat.
40 partners.
Yeah.
Partners, yeah. I
That's
got
a
one
cool
there
key.
at 7,000 a clock. They come
Huh?
in the
So that's a cool one.
Yeah, I wonder if that's like for a clock or something.
Yeah.
Old
Oh,
homemade.
that'd
CD
be
company.
You have any Irving stuff?
15 with, A4 chains on the coil.
Old keys. Wow.
And there's pretty neat.
Like, I mean,
Yeah. Hollow in the end too, isn't it?
I got a couple of big things. When I went to the woods years ago, we threw more of them away in the woods, right?
Wild.
All down, we just eat them, right?
Look at these things.
Same as this
Can make a
ball
pair of
game,
earrings out of those.
right? All superior and corduroy.
Huh. Neato.
Feed them in the woods.
Yeah, I've done even more.
No, no, I know. Them cans, you probably $10 a piece for them, all them cans,
Yeah, easy.
right? Oh.
And if you're in
Make
the
a wind chime out of them.
But,
Huh?
I mean,
Make a wind chime out of them.
or you take a beer ball, stubby beer ball, one end of a gallon of gas, right? Back in the good old days.
All right. Well,
That one there's pretty cool. It's got a price tag on it. No, maybe not.
okay. We're thinking about getting these keys just for the heck of it. They're in really good condition. The guy says $2 a piece, so we're gonna go have a talk and see if we can get them 3 for $5. I'm sure he'll go for it. All right, let's go do it.
Bargain up.
So we're back with the next group of purchases here. We got 3 keys. The vendor did take $5 for the 3 of them. We got the 2 stoppers, the 2 glass stoppers that Jane found in the Little baskets there with a variety of knickknacks. Great little purchases, $1 each for those. This key does have some lettering on it, TD Company, Brooklyn, New York. And I actually found that with a Google search. We'll check that out. I got Jane here with me. Say hello, Jane.
Buongiorno, Gino.
What are you doing, Jane?
I'm over here knitting.
What are you knitting, Jane?
I'm knitting my older brother the trigger mitts.
Trigger mitts, yeah, doing a great job too, I must say. Okay, well, we'll spin around and we'll have a look at this online. So here this is online. You can see it's a padlock key. That is the key right there. And it's patented May 26, 1886. Nice old little key for, well, just under $2. Jane and I are loading up on the trinkets today. Look at this red stuff here.
Yeah, I thought she,
$3 for that. Nice. Prices on those. Here's something interesting we just found. Apparently these are burnt in Chinese culture. Huh.
Here's Jackie.
Hell banknotes.
Here's Jackie Kennedy.
$3 a piece, he says.
Pretty interesting.
So from the same vendor we got the 3 keys from, we got 3 of these. Instead of $3 a piece, he took $8 for the 3 of them. So we saved $1 on those. Those are pretty neat. They're in great condition. I've never seen them before. I'm gonna do a little bit of Google searching on them, see what we come up with. Well, we're into the movie section here now. Not finding too much here, but I think I'll pick that up for $1. The Boy in the Plastic Bubble. So we picked up 3 of those Chinese hell banknotes, and we just did a little Google search on them here, and you can check it out for yourself or pause it and read it. But basically you burn them, and what are they used for here? To allow the deceased to spend on lavish items in the afterlife, to distract the hell gods so they will leave mortals at peace, to bribe Yan Luo for a shorter stay in the afterlife, or to escape punishment. You know, there's all kinds of info on there. And there's a bunch of, all kinds of different designs. This is the first time I'd ever seen them. Interesting stuff. There's more of them there. There's one right there. That's the one that, one of the ones that we got. John F. Kennedy. Let's click on it. Well, yeah, exactly. All right, right on.
Come with the bullets.
Look at all these old ones.
I know.
Wow, it's incredible. Those are nice.
But I'd rather than go to a good home, you know what I mean? You see them all your life, or did you buy the odd one? Just buy the odd one, buy corrections.
Yeah, those are incredible.
Like some of these sets here, these are the higher end ones here. This set here just over 1,000 with the spurs.
These guns were
Holy
only made for
jumping.
1 year. Crazy guns.
Wow. Look at that.
Mint condition.
Those are amazing.
Yeah, just to find a gun in that condition, it's not easy.
No.
Then to have the whole set with all the accessories and everything.
Yeah, it's incredible.
I got almost all of them that they made in Avon, eh? They made in Avon. I almost got the 12 of them.
Wow.
12 of them. What do you get?
There. Yeah, most of these are Hubleys.
Yeah, that's okay.
All made in the USA.
Wow. Beautiful. Wagon train.
That's a whole piece. That actually all comes apart. That's
Wow.
a barrel extension, and it all goes into the stock. The stock comes off, and it turns into a pistol again.
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
But that's from the Wagon Train show. Remember? I don't know if you remember Wagon Train. I don't either. But it was a western that was on television. Yeah.
Wow. Look at that.
Probably earlier than that. Wagon Train.
Heavy.
Yeah. Probably 60s. Yeah, all that stuff, wider and all that. Bonanza. I sold the
Neat.
Bonanza
Oh.
set this morning. I had the Bonanza set. It had the coins on the holsters. Beautiful set. That's how you load it. I'm just gonna pull that down.
Sure.
They all work great. They've all been redone, like, you know what I mean? Looked over and. Thank you. Good. That's what I do it for, man. And to make money.
Stuff is incredible. Whole box of extra holsters. Look at that. That is incredible. Amazing. Well, Jane and I made our way to Swiss Chalet for a little chicken dinner. Cheers. Gonna be good.
Later.
Where are we headed to, driver?
No man's land.
Oh, okay, they're going then. We got a damn good show for you tonight. What do you say, Jane?